Ladies and gentlemen, today we are proud to present to you the Richley Corporation Water Treatment Plant. This facility is the first of its kind in the province of Bohol. This facility is also equipped with the latest JA Hydro process control technology, a technology that has evolved from the water treatment facilities that our company has designed and constructed all over the Philippines. Such facilities are now successfully operating in places like Cagayan de Oro City, Iloilo, Leyte, Bukidnon, and Agusan del Sur. The Richley Water Treatment Plant employs the proven process of treating surface water. We are using proprietary and environment-friendly chemicals for the coagulation process to remove the dirt and other undesirable impurities from the river water. Then we further purify the treated water using our dual media filter composed of anthracite and silica sand. Then finally, the treated water will undergo the process of disinfection by using chlorine to kill all the microbes. The Richley Water Plant is designed, it is guaranteed to produce 10 million liters per day of potable water that meets the specification of the Philippine National Standard for Drinking Water. We have a very strict quality control procedure. We have online analyzers for the continuous monitoring of the water quality. We have also our own laboratory here, and we have our own licensed chemist who will double check the quality analysis of our water product. We have also bioindicators to immediately detect any toxic contaminants. Our quality control and quality assurance program is 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Richley Corporation will guarantee the continuous supply of potable water even during brownout. Our facility is supported by an emergency power supply system. Today, we are happy to announce that the waiting is over for many years. The time has come for Panglao Island and the city of Tagbilaran to enjoy a steady supply of safe drinking water at a very affordable cost. Why affordable? Because you need not buy water from the refilling stations anymore. You can just refill your water dispenser with water coming from your faucet. But make sure that you are connected with Richley Water Supply.
And today, I am amazed at the kind of technology that Richley is using that will definitely augur well for the growth and development of the entire tourism area in the province of Bohol, the city of Tagbilaran, Panglao Island, and the nearby towns. I see also the mayor of Corellia here and maybe the other local officials of the other towns, and we will be greatly benefited by this type of technology. So as we dream for a bigger Bohol, a more progressive Bohol, a Bohol that can expand its economy, we also look into the basic services that will be required towards this growth. Today, we are very excited to see a bigger future with a good quality water supply.
This momentous occasion in Bohol, the blessing and inauguration of this very impressive water treatment plant, which is part of a huge water supply system for several towns and for the city of Tagbilaran and several other towns in this part of Bohol. So this is a good development, and we hope it will expand to other areas in Bohol. This will now become the standard of water treatment plants. As you know, we need a lot of water treatment plants, and Panglao is one area where we need a water treatment plant like this, because there are so many resorts there that are really degrading our environment, our seas, and so we hope something like this can be replicated in Panglao. I was also with director, the DPP director Garcia, and he said that these are the kinds of projects that Philippine Development Bank of the Philippines is interested and willing to finance, because these are projects that really benefit the people directly. It's not a project that will take long years to mature in terms of providing benefits to the people. As I've said, this kind of project will multiply like the seed that was planted in good ground. Thank you very much.